Have you ever scrolled through YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook and thought, wow, these creators are really living the dream? They're traveling, sharing their passions, and seemingly making a great living doing what they love. Well, what if I told you that you could do it too? That you could turn your social media presence into a legitimate, profitable business. It's not just a dream for a select few, it's a tangible goal you can achieve. In this video, I am going to break down the exact steps you need to take to transform your social media channels from a hobby into a thriving business. We're going beyond just getting more likes and followers. We're talking about building a sustainable income stream. So grab a notebook, because you're going to want to take some notes. First things first, let's get one major misconception out of the way. You don't need millions of followers to start a business. I've seen creators with just a few thousand dedicated followers build incredibly successful businesses. The key isn't the size of your audience, but the strength of your community and the value you provide. So the foundational step is to define your niche. What are you passionate about? What knowledge can you share? It could be anything from vegan cooking to DIY home renovations to financial advice for millennials or even reviewing vintage comic books. The more specific, the better. A narrow niche helps you attract a highly engaged audience that truly cares about what you have to say. Think about it. Who would you rather have, 1 million random viewers or 1,000 die-hard fans who trust your recommendations and can't wait for your next post? Your niche is the bedrock of your entire business. Once you've identified your niche, the next step is to choose your primary platform. While it's great to be on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, you can't be a master of all three from day one. Each platform has its own unique audience and content style. YouTube is perfect for long-form, educational, or entertaining video content. Think tutorials, deep dives, blogs, and reviews. Instagram is highly visual, ideal for stunning photos, short videos like Reels, and building a personal brand through stories. It's great for lifestyle, fashion, food, and art. Facebook is more community-focused with its powerful groups feature. It's excellent for building a tight-knit community, hosting live discussions, and sharing a mix of content types. My advice: pick one platform to be your main stage. Pour 80% of your energy into mastering it and use the other 20% to repurpose that content for the other platforms. For example, a long YouTube video can be cut into several short clips for Instagram Reels and a thought-provoking post for a Facebook group. Focus, then expand. Now we get to the core of it all, creating irresistible content. This is your product before you even have a product. Your content needs to do one of three things: educate, entertain, or inspire. The best content often does all three. If you're in the home renovation niche, don't just show the finished room. Show the messy process, the mistakes you made, the tools you used, and the feeling of accomplishment at the end. That's entertainment and education combined. If you're a fitness coach, don't just post workout videos. Share your personal fitness journey, the struggles you overcame, and client success stories. That's inspiration and education. The key is consistency. You need to show up for your audience regularly, create a content calendar, and stick to it. Whether it's one YouTube video a week or 3 Instagram posts, consistency builds trust and keeps your audience coming back for more. They start to see you as a reliable source of value, which is crucial for the next step. Okay, you've got your niche, your platform, and you're creating amazing content. Now, how do we turn this into money? This is where many creators get stuck. They think ads are the only way. But ad revenue, especially in the beginning, is often very small. The real money is in creating your own income streams. Let's talk about the most common and effective ones. First, there's affiliate marketing. This is where you recommend products you genuinely love and use, and you get a small commission if someone buys through your unique link. It's a fantastic way to start monetizing because you don't need to create your own product. Just be authentic, only recommend things you truly believe in, or you'll lose your audience's trust. The second, and often more lucrative income stream is selling your own digital products. This is where your expertise really shines. You can create an ebook, an online course, a set of templates, photo presets, or a paid newsletter. Let's go back to our examples. The vegan cooking creator could sell a digital cookbook of their top 20 recipes. The financial advisor could create a budget tracking spreadsheet or a mini course on investing for beginners. The beauty of digital products is you create them once, and you can sell them over and over again with very little overhead. This is how you scale your business beyond just trading your time for money. Think about what your audience's biggest pain point is and create a digital product that solves it. A third powerful monetization strategy is offering services. This is perfect if you have a skill that others are willing to pay for. The home renovation expert could offer one-on-one virtual design consultations. The Instagram guru could offer account audits or content strategy coaching. The Facebook community manager could help other businesses manage their groups. Services can be a high-income stream right from the start. You can offer them on a per-project basis or as a monthly retainer. This leverages your authority and provides a direct, tangible solution for your followers. It's a direct exchange of your expertise for income, and it can be incredibly rewarding. Let's not forget about brand partnerships and sponsorships. This is what most people think of when they imagine a social media business. A brand pays you to feature their product in your content. As your audience grows, brands in your niche will start to notice you, but you can also be proactive. Create a professional media kit that outlines who your audience is, your engagement stats, and your pricing. Reach out to brands you admire and that align with your values. Remember, your influence is valuable. Don't sell yourself short. A good brand partnership should be a win-win-win, a win for you, a win for the brand, and most importantly, a win for your audience because you're reintroducing them to a product you genuinely think they lines love. Now, all of these monetization methods have one thing in common. You need a way to communicate with your audience off of the social media platforms. This is crucial. Why? Because you don't own your followers on YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. The algorithm can change, or your account could be suspended for reasons outside your control. Your business could disappear overnight. The solution: an email list. Your email list is your single most valuable business asset. From day one, you should be encouraging your followers to sign up for your email list. Offer them something valuable in exchange, like a free checklist, a guide, or an exclusive video. This is called a lead magnet. Once they're on your list, you can build a deeper relationship with them, share more personal stories, and directly promote your products, services, and affiliate offers. You own this list, and it's a direct line to your most loyal fans. Finally, let's put it all together. Building a business on social media is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. The journey looks like this. First, you find your specific niche. Second, you pick a primary platform and master it. Third, you consistently create valuable content that educates, entertains, or inspires. Fourth, you start building your email list from day one. Fifth, you introduce monetization streams like affiliate marketing, digital products, services, and brand deals. It's a step-by-step process. Don't try to do everything at once. Focus on building a genuine connection with your audience and providing massive value. The money will follow the value. Treat your social media like a business, not a hobby. Track your metrics, understand what's working, and don't be afraid to experiment. So there you have it. The complete blueprint for turning your social media presence into a real, sustainable business. It's not about getting lucky or going viral. It's about strategy, consistency, and providing genuine value. The opportunity is massive, and it's available to anyone willing to put in the work. Start today. Define your niche, create that first piece of content and start building your community? You have a unique voice and perspective that the world needs to hear. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building your online business. Let me know in the comments what your social media business idea is. I'd love to hear it. See you in the next video.